Hey guys, Christy here, and today we're going to take a look at another one of Canva's newest features, and it is called Magic Media. So you'll go into your apps and you can either search for it or it might be here where it's trending. And this is really awesome because what you can do is create images or videos now. It's just from simple descriptions. So you'll type in whatever it is you're looking to create, and it will create some options for you. Now you can, as you see here, it says images or videos. So you can decide what it is that you want to generate. Now, you can also, it also shows you different styles that you can do it in. So it's got this like psychedelic, 3D model, dreamy, all kinds of things. So I'm going to see what it is we want to create. I was playing around, just an example, and it came up with some robots, but I want to do something different. Let's see, a race car in, let's see, fiery red. All right. And I want to do it in the style of, let's try that psychedelic one. That looked pretty. And then let's see what it comes up with. So then we're going to click generate. And then it'll take a minute or so to come up with these images as it's working in the background. Oh, wow, look at that. Now, those are psychedelic looking, right? So let's see. Got a couple different angles in here. Wow, that is just too, let me move my little head out of the way. Look at that. That is so awesome. Now, I could probably be more specific if I wanted the car to have a certain number on it, or if I want it to have different let's actually do that. A race car, let's say, with the number 5, fiery red with a streak of yellow. And we're just going to see what it does. I'm going to try a different style as well here. I want to do more of a, let's do an anime style just for fun. Let's get to play with it. That's the whole fun part of this. Right, so there we go. It is, since I was a little more specific, I gave it a number 5. It came up with a picture of 5 and it had the yellow streaks in it. So that just shows how important it is to tell it exactly what you want. If there's a specific color, if there's a specific number, you see how I could keep playing with the prompt until I get exactly what it is I'm looking for. So, and it has that anime style, right? It's like, whoa. So that one's kind of funky there with the number. So you're not always going to get a winner, but out of the 4, these 2 look pretty good. So I like those. So that is it. That is how that works, at least for the images. Now let's do the same thing with the video. I'm going to just copy that same prompt there. Click here on videos. And it has an example one that I did there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the prompt that I had for the image and see what it comes up with for a video. Grab your popcorn. And it takes about 1 to 2 minutes according to this. So it could be a little slower, a little faster, just depending on what it is you're trying to create. All right, look at that. It created the video from the prompt that we gave it. Look at how awesome this is. I'm going to go ahead and click on that so I could bring it into my design here. Look at this. Isn't that crazy? Like, wow. It's a very quick clip, but oh my goodness. Can you see how much fun you can have playing with this? Now, then I could regenerate it and I can come up with even more ideas. I made it bigger just so you could see it a little better, but that's the whole film right here. I mean, look at it. That's like movie productions. a style. So there we go. You can use just text, just the prompts that you give it to create images or, as you saw here, video. So have fun with this. Just play with it, get to know it, and I'd love to know what you create. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time.